In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build SOPs in ClickUp and the 3 key parts of a great SOP. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system that keeps your processes consistent and easy to follow. We'll start by setting up a dedicated home for everything. Open your spaces and click the plus icon to create a new space. Give it a clear name like SOPs, then click Create Space. Having a separate space keeps your procedures centralized and easy to find, and it also makes permission management and organization much simpler as your library grows. Inside that SOP space, create a new list for each process you want to document. Click New List and name it after the process you're capturing, for example, hiring process. Think of each list as the container for one SOP. Keeping one process per list helps you search, filter, and maintain ownership without mixing unrelated steps. Now choose how you want to capture the details. If your process is action-driven and benefits from checkable items, click the Task button and name the task after the step or sub-process. Tasks are great for tracking progress, adding due dates, and assigning work. If your process needs a narrative with screenshots, links, or policies, open Docs and create a new doc to write your SOP step by step. Use headings, short paragraphs, and clear labels so anyone can skim and understand quickly. You can still link that doc to related tasks, so your structure remains connected. As you write, make sure your SOP includes 3 essential parts. Start with the purpose. Explain why the SOP exists, when to use it, and the expected outcome. This gives your team context and reduces guesswork. Then document the steps. Keep them in a clear order, use action verbs, and make each step measurable. If something needs approval, note it clearly, and include any templates or links right where they're needed. Finally, define roles and responsibilities. Specify who does what, who reviews, and who approves. In ClickUp, that can translate to assigning the right people, adding watchers for visibility, or noting owners in the description. Once your SOP is written, share it with your team. Click Share and add the people who need access. Then assign tasks to the responsible owners for each step, so accountability is explicit. You can add due dates and priority to highlight what matters most and keep work moving. And that's how you build SOPs in ClickUp and structure them for clarity. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.